Hello everyone, welcome to D3 Lab. Today I'm going to tell you about the responsive websites. I'm going to teach you how to make a responsive website and a responsive app alongside using D3 Lab. So, first of all, I'm going to go to the page contents. Here we go. I'm going to edit this page content. So, right now, for this we will need grid layout. A grid layout can have any amount of grid columns. Let's see what it is. A grid layout is a wrapper component to differentiate the layout of grids using the percentage. So a grid layout, as I already told you, may have grid columns. So let's add three grid columns. Now this grid layout has the background color, text color and border color. So we are keeping it as a default. So let's do it. Now a grid column is a container which may have any component. As you can see, they can have any amount of all the component that a user interface has. Now we have the color, desktop size. We have three extra things over here: the column size, the tablet size, and the desktop size. These are the three things. So the column size is the size that we will be using into this whenever we have a mobile view. The tablet size will be the size that will be used by the app whenever it is the tablet size, whenever the size of the app is in the tablet, and the desktop size will be used when it is the larger size, like the desktop we are using. So in this way, we can figure out that how much amount of percentage that we need into a particular column whenever it is into a desktop size, or whether it is in a tablet size, or it is in a mobile size, or we can even hide something from in the using this. So think let's make it 5%. Let's make it 20%, and in the desktop let's make it 35%. These are the 35%, not 35 is the percent, not the pixels. So let's save this up. I'm going to go back. This thing we have done into this the first grid column. So, and the same thing we will be adding into the last grid column. So let's add it. I'm going to go for the static type. The column size I'm adding 5, 20, and here we go 35. Let's save this app and just go back. Now here we go. We have a grid column over here. So using a little bit of maths, we can figure out that there must be 90% into the column size, so that this means that the middle one will have 90% of the total column, or of the total width in case of its mobile, and in case of its tablet it was 20 plus 20 is 40, so it should be 60, and I think it should be 30%. So summarizing everything, we have 90% of the width space in case of the mobile size. In case of the tablet size, we will have 60% of the spaces, and in case of desktop size, we will have 30% of the space into of this column whenever we will be using this. So in that case, suppose I want to use any login into this system, then this login will automatically adapt according to the screen sizes. It will have 30% of the size into the desktop, and 60% into the tablet, and 90% in case of it's a mobile size. So let's view it. Let's have some text into it. So I think let's have some blog title. I'm editing this blog title. I'm writing this. Hey there, this is the page. Then that's hey there. Going back, let's add some text over there, and let's put the text into this. Now I'm going to deploy the app. To deploy the app will first save it and then it will deploy the app. So here we go. Hey there, this is Durgesh Satyam from D3 Lab. It's in the center of the mobile app and it's using just 5% over here and 5% over here. Now I'm going to the web view. As you can see, the 35% over here and the 35% over here are not used, and only the 30%, this text is covering only the 30% of the area that needs to be taken. So, and now let's make it tablet view. As you can see, in case of the tablet view, this is the 20%, and also this will be the 20% if the text is a little bit larger, or anything inside it will be larger. So we can see over here it's responsive, and congratulations, we have built a responsive websites. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you and have a nice day.